So it's mostly done. I just got to put the plastic bottom piece on. I got her out here in the yard so we can get a better view of it. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna be disappointed and like the sport bumper more, but I'm thinking I'm digging the chrome bumper. I got a chrome strips going down the side and the chrome bumper in the rear, so a little bit of chrome actually looks good, especially with those new headlights. The front bumper's not perfect. It doesn't sit quite level. It hangs lower on the passenger side than it does on the driver's side, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. We'll go ahead and turn the headlights on and see what it looks like with the headlights on. Yeah, it's hot. I'm digging it. Put some LED pods in the fog light area.